Out of gas?
No, I just got plenty of gas. Fuel pump's clogged.
Oof.
Yep.
How far down are you pushing it?
Just over to the housing over there.
How far down you going?
Right around the corner. Right around the corner.
One second. I got a push bar. We gotta help them first. As long as I don't go underneath it. All right, ready?
Yeah.
All right. That's why I got a push bar. It came a little off there. One sec. All right. Oop. I gotta stop kidding the gas. Alright, let's see. There we go. Okay, no brake. No brake. Alright, I actually have to turn. Alright, I'm gonna back off, let him turn, come back around him. Nope. Alright, come back in. I'm not even hitting the gas, by the way. This is idle speed.
It does.
Ta-da! Buy a push bar.
When they're pushing, is that heavy?
Huh?
When they're pushing, is that heavy?
No, this is just the car being very, very idle. This is the car on idle mode.
That's fine. They can hit.
Lift, 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 right, lift.
Derek's fucking. You're right. That's what we needed this time.
How far down is it going?
So that's these houses. It'll be that left. Queen's Way.
Okay. When he makes the turn, we got to back off and you'll just come back on him.
Yep. I was sitting there eating dinner and he called me. He's my LPO. He's like, well, you gotta give me a push. My fuel pump's broke.
Nice truck, though.
Oh, I love that thing.
What is like
It's great.
What is it, like a 83, 84?
83, right on the money.
I'm a car guy. I fix cars, so.
I break them.
What do you drive?
I got a 93 first gen Cummins, and then I have another Infiniti G35.
I'll give him a little gas and give him a push. Or is there a car coming?
Yeah, there's a car coming.
Okay, I'm backing off.
But it's moving, babe.
No, because I pushed it.
No. See.
No, yeah, it's because it's in neutral and it's downward hill. Oh, we got it on video! All right, coming in. All right. What are you guys' rates?
What's up?
What do you guys' rates?
I'm an MM, he's an EN, and that's just my buddy, he's an AE.
I'm a QM. Very diverse group we have here.
Absolutely.
Topsiders, midsiders, Airedale. I kind of think this thing should have like a side step and hop into bed.
That'd be pretty bad. We got a 78. Is that one a 78, Eric, back home? No, old Ford?
If you want to see an old Ford, when this is all said and done, I'll show you my 68 Galaxy.
Oh, there you go. Oh, that's a cool fucking car.
1 year made.
That's
Well,
wild. That's gotta be worth some money.
Actually, no.
Oh.
But when I show you, though, because right now she's in the resto shop. How far down is he going? I can't see it, so I'm going to give him a little gas, though.
Yeah, we got a little while yet here.
Alright. On the bright side, though, with no PFA, this worked out pretty well for you.
That's true. Yeah.
Did it slow it down? All right, backing off.
Babe, after give this cake for them.
Okay.
I lied. I thought it was at the little gazebo thing here, but it's the next one.
Oh. All right, coming in on them.
Alright, yeah.
All right. By the way, don't put his hazards on so people know. It's kind of sad, though. A Chevy sedan pushing a Ford pickup truck. All right, give him a little gas, and I'm gonna back off, okay?
Winds way.
I'm so glad it's on dash cam. Oh. I can't get in there with them. Like that.
No, they're parking.
Yep, they're parking right there.
Why they're parking?
Huh? Stop right here for a second.
Give this cake for
I am.
That was the thing. That was okay. Push bar comes in handy.
Oh yeah, you always want to get one.
Absolutely.
My wife says she wants you to have a cake for your misery right now.
Thank
Well, that was
you.
nice.
So now you can suffering over this right now.
There you go. That's awesome.
Thank you very
Welcome.
much.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, before you go.
Yeah, let's see.